this WhatsApp now? Hello, Ali, can you send me that chicken biryani recipe? Mama, can you give me 100 dirhams? 100 dirhams? What will you do with this much money? Habibi, me is not millionaire. Me is miskinaire. Baba, please. No problem, nephew. Take this 100 and enjoy. Thank you so much, uncle. Rambo, stop spoiling my son. Let him enjoy, sister. This is the age to enjoy. Google it if you don't believe me. What is this tring sound? I don't know. I think it's coming from Zubair's phone. Google it if you don't believe me. Aywa. Zubair make it the forgetting his mobile phone. Rambo, please giving me the mobile. Okay. What is this sound? Sabr, me will checking. Abu Zubair, it's not good to check.
I'm listening.
I was using one of your products. Oh no, he's just pissed me off.
Yeah,
I just don't like
you've ruined it now. You've ruined it, mate. No point. Why does no one pick up their...
Hello.
Hello there. I couldn't find the actual contact number to call, but I'm just letting you know that I'm not making the shift today.
Sorry?
I'm not making the shift today. My mum's just died.
Sorry.
Who am I speaking to?
Who is this?
Who am I speaking to? Can you pass me over to Oscar?
There isn't an Oscar who works here.
Oliver, then. I know him by Oscar because it's his real name.
There isn't anyone who with those names.
The one with the brown hair, then.
That's not very specific.
Well, the brown hair, the man, the one of the higher ups. Like, you don't know their actual name because you're not as close to them as me. But can you put the contact? Can I please talk to him? I'm not making the shift today. Put my name through. My name's Jamie. All right.
We don't have someone called Jamie who works
Oh,
here.
do you not?
Fuck! Stay fucking Hi, is this the Penguin Publishing service?
Penguin Random House, yes, how can I help?
Hi, I'm just calling about an inquiry. I have got a whopper of a book which I'm more than willing to publish.
Right, okay. What you need to do is you need to find yourself a literary agent to be able to publish with us. But if I can direct you to our website...
Well, they've actually directed me to this number.
Well, the website?
No, I've been forwarded this number from an agent.
Right, okay. So what we need to do is we need to direct you to our website, and that will give you all the information you need on getting published with us.
But is it okay if I ask a few minor questions before proceeding?
You may, but I may not be able to help them with them, unfortunately, but we can try.
It's just the context of the book is quite explicit. I'm not sure if that's something that Penguin really condones, or am I going to have to look elsewhere?
I couldn't comment on that, I'm not sure.
It does include touching minor children. It's this autobiography, you see.
Right, okay, I'm not sure that is something Penguin Random House would deal with, but all I can do is direct you to our website, sir, and you would need to get yourself a literary agent first.
So all you do is direct me to websites. What are you, a search engine?
No, sir, but that's where you'll find out all the information you need on getting published with us. Unfortunately, Penguin won't actually deal with authors directly. It will only be through a literary agent, so that would be the first port of call anyway.
Well, joke's on you, because I didn't come from an agent, I came from the website, and then I called you, and then you told me to go back to the website. Is this the reduce, reuse, recycle scheme?
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Yeah, you know what, you two... Oh.
Hello.
Hello, how are you doing?
Alright, thank you.
So, what's the plan? You said you'd be here at 2 o'clock, it's now 1:15.
2 o'clock?
Yes, you're running late. Been over 10 minutes. What time do you call this? And it's raining out here.
Hurry up, mate. Come on. I ain't got all day.
No, I don't know what you're on about.
What? You agreed to come here. We're filming the porno.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm fucking well down for that.
We got all the studio
What do
lights.
you mean you're well down? You've agreed. You're ready. Stop being so ignorant and get here. Get your bum here.
Come there straight away.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Come on, mate. We've got the dildos ready. We've got the lube ready. We've got the kids ready.
Kids?
We've got the custard. We've got the custard creams here as well.
No, we don't do kids, but anything else I'm down for. Anything. Absolutely anything.
What about dogs?
Dogs, kids, cats, fucking...
Oh, are you listing off all the... Are you listing off everything I'm into as well? Dogs, kids and cats. Where's he gone?
He hung up.
Who was that?
Random number.
It was a random number.
Hello?
Hello, mate. It's my new number. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you busy at all right now?
Are you ringing the right person?
Yeah. No, I know. I've got you from my contact book, bro. I know. I'm wondering if you're busy right now. I can't either get picked up. I've left my car at Waitrose.
Yeah, this is Jason Jones you've rung.
Jason. Yeah, I know Jason.
Which Waitrose are you talking about?
Sorry, what was that, Jace?
Which Waitrose are you talking about?
Waitrose down the end street.
In which city?
Bradford.
Yeah, I'm in Hull.
Yeah, that's the one.
Alright.
So the whole Waitrose, do you mind picking me up, mate? I know it might be hard. It's quite late. You might be busy at work. Are you working today? You got a day off?
I'm just out and about working at the moment, but I'm not in a position to come and get you from Waitrose in Bradford.
No, Hull. I meant Hull.
Yeah, but there isn't one in Hull either.
I meant Bradford.
Yeah. Well, that's like 60 miles away.
Yeah, I actually meant the Tesco in Hull.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So if you can
Who
put.
are you?
Who am I? Don't be silly, Jace. Come on, mate. We've known each other for a long time. Don't be stupid. I don't know why you're doing that.
I don't know who you are.
Remember back in the day when we used to dress up and look each other in the mirror, and then my mum would come in and be like, "All right, you get those dresses off because you can't be wearing them. You're men."
I don't remember that. I don't know why.
Okay, what about the time we were walking to school and there was a snail and we picked the snail up and the snail's on the leaf and we were like, wow.
Listen, I'm nearly where I'm supposed to be, so thanks for the enjoyable call.
Okay, Jace, I'll see you tomorrow then. I'll just stay at the Tesco in Hull.
Alright, good luck.
Thanks.
Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Ta-da!
Fair play to Jason Jones, bro. Alright, that's it for this video. We'll see you next week. Take care.
Please take it easy. Safety is a really important thing in our lives, and I think
Take it easy,
the current...
but not on your bumhole.
Voxy Mobile's unlimited social media is great.
Because you can see everyone's holiday snaps and feel like you're there even though you're not there.
Yeah, and it's only a tenner.
The fun never ends with unlimited social media on Voxy Mobile. Selected social apps in UK, TNCs apply.